With the release of iOS 18, Apple has introduced an exciting new feature called eye tracking. This innovation allows you to control your iPhone or iPad simply by looking at it. It's a game changer for anyone who wants a hands-free way to use their device, or for those who might find touchscreens challenging to navigate. Before diving into the setup, it's worth noting that eye tracking is compatible with a range of Apple devices. This includes iPads, iPad Pro, Air, Mini, and Standard models, and iPhones starting from the iPhone 12 and third-generation iPhone SE. If your device is on this list or newer, you're good to go. To get started, make sure your device is updated to iOS 18. If you haven't updated yet, head to your settings and install the latest version. Once you're updated, open the Settings menu and navigate to the Accessibility section. In the Accessibility menu, scroll to the Physical and Motor section, where you'll find the eye tracking option. Tap on it and toggle the switch to enable the feature. A setup screen will appear, guiding you through calibration. During the setup, you'll follow a dot with your eyes as it moves around the screen. This process lets the device's sensors and camera track your eye movements. Once the calibration is complete, you'll see a confirmation, and the feature will be ready to use. With eye tracking enabled, you can select or activate controls on your device simply by looking at them for a second or two. For example, to go back to the previous screen, you can focus on the back button, and it will activate without needing to touch the screen. Additionally, Assistive Touch is automatically enabled alongside eye tracking. This handy feature provides a virtual home button on your screen, giving you quick access to options like scrolling, the home screen, notifications, and control center. The eye tracking feature in iOS 18 is an incredible tool that opens up new possibilities for device interaction. Whether you're using it for convenience or accessibility, it's a powerful addition to Apple's ecosystem. What do you think about eye tracking? Share your thoughts, and if you found this guide helpful, let us know. Thank you for reading, and enjoy exploring this innovative feature.